In this video, we will be covering all of the remaining lessons that we have not covered in the past few videos. And so we will start with the avoid program. Plug him in, please. So as you can see, this will be set on the avoid. Actually, can't see. Anyway. It is not as easy to read as you might think in the first place, because it doesn't actually show what the robot is thinking. It just shows what it should do. However, in the Python version, or just the coding version, you can see way better what he's actually thinking. So while it is true, so while this part is true, that means if distance is less than 15 centimeters, he will stop, move back 6 steps, choose a number from 1 to 2. If it's 1, he will move 5 steps left. Turn 5 steps left. So it's 5 thigh turns. And if it's 2, he will start turning right 5 steps. And then if else, when the program is fulfilled, he will just continue walking forward. Our AI assistant will deploy lesson 4 for us. So we call him. Then we deploy. Lesson 4. And he has done it. He has added lesson 4 to it.
So now we need to plug it out. Since it is deployed, plug the wire out of the robot.
Hello everyone, welcome to the box maze contest. Today we have this brave contestant called Biped Robot, and he will have an attempt on getting through this maze. And without further ado, we begin. 3, 2, 1, go! After a small delay, our contestant bravely moves forward into the maze. And our contestant's time has run out. Ding, ding, ding. We'll have to escort him to the end.
Wait, what is he saying? He's saying he wants to go to the harder maze?
Yeah, the maze of doom. No one hasn't done that for a long time, like 3 days.
So, let's bring him.
Well, we can't deny it. It is by ancient tradition that we must do that. And here is our brave contestant entering the maze of doom and despair. I forgot that.
Dun,
Here he is. The contestant is almost at the finish line, but it appears he may have a slight issue. But it is all fine as he chooses relatively the correct direction. And he will pass the maze in maybe like... He has finished the maze. Yay! Finally!
Finally!
There is not much logic between in lessons 5 and 6, which are the dance lessons. So we will just show the dance 1 and 2. Start dancing. I think. There was an... Let me unplug him. Turn him
off and then turn him on.
Start dancing. So now we will be deploying dance 2. Oh, yeah, deploy. Now he'll do the second dance.
Whoa, this is more extreme.
So here's the stamps like last time. Ah, you gotta do that side step. So he has a sprint. Left stamp, right, no, the left stamp, right stamp. Side step.
Alright, this
You
is
can't do that side.
this is
Then he
dance
does
2.
the sprint again. You need to delete this stuff. I don't know. Do it. Fixed slash
Lesson.
tab. Oh, not less so. Lesson 7.
Slash.
Tab.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think it's ready.
We
You
need to
didn't run
enter.
it yet. Don't turn it off.
It's copying.
It's
Is
ready.
it? Yeah, we can turn it off, then back on.
I think
So-
we're gonna plug it out.
What this lesson does, it enables Wi-Fi on this robot, and it serves its own website.
According to this, what is this, documentation, we have to connect to the Biped robot Wi-Fi network.
Wow, it works.
Forward.
This should
Left click?
open a lot of opportunities for us, because with this web technology we potentially can make it do anything we'd like it to do. So maybe next time we will try, something like Claude to control it. Maybe we will point a camera to it and we'll tell it to move around the table.
It's done.
It's done. And now if we press dance.
He's gonna dance.
Ah, yeah.
Alright, it looks like sidestepping to me. Oh no,
Yeah, and the other way.
it doesn't want to do the other way.
Yeah, so with this web application, be patient. It's not very fast processing these requests. But nevertheless, this looks really good and promising. We can do something else with that.
So this is the final lesson, lesson 8, I think. And then we've already done this app in a past video, but
Oh, it's done. This is the same story. We connected to the Wi-Fi and we find a robot here. All right, try to do something.
can we tell him to play Pac-Man?
Yeah, and it works. Well, let's try if backwards work fine with our fixed software. Try backwards. Oh yeah, it looks good. So that's what didn't work with initial in the first video when we just assembled the robot and tried this. So finally it works. And this mobile app has all the kinds of motions we had. So it has sprint, dance, avoid and follow, all these programs.
We've finished all the entirety of this tutorial. So this is the end of the video, but we could do something more interesting with the robot, like connect him to an AI or who plays with that? Or maybe even do something else. Maybe make the shell that we promised some time ago. Are you still recording?
Yeah, well, it's over.